Did you know that AI can create short videos within minutes for social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram? If you haven't heard of it before, this AI tool is called Opus Clip, and in today's video, I'm going to introduce its most useful features that help you create engaging short-form videos effortlessly. Let's dive in. So, Opus Clip is an AI-powered tool that helps you create short videos from longer videos. Imagine having an assistant that watches a full-length video or podcast, finds the sections with the potential to go viral, and clips them for you. But that's not all. Opus Clip also edits those clips by adding auto-captions, B-rolls, auto-reframes, aspect ratios, and even schedules the clips for multiple social media platforms. The major advantage of using Opus Clip is its ability to save you a ton of time and effort while creating content and increase the chances of your clips going viral through smart AI suggestions. You don't need any prior editing experience because Opus Clip AI makes everything beginner-friendly and the final result looks professional. And the best part? You can start using Opus Clip completely free from the link below in the description. So with that being said, let's see how to create short-form videos quickly and easily with Opus Clip. To start creating your clips, first, you can upload a video, or simply paste the URL of a long video from one of these platforms. It can be your video or some other video. Let's select this video as an example. I copy the link here and click on this button. Then you can adjust the settings by choosing the length of your clips, a preset for the captions, the aspect ratio, or you can do nothing and leave everything to the AI. When you're ready, click on this button, and AI will create your clips in a matter of minutes. When your clips are ready, it sends you a notification. Now let's explore some of the key features that make this tool so powerful. The first standout feature is the virality score. Opus Clip AI actually analyzes your content and tells you which parts of it have the best potential to go viral. It takes the guesswork out of figuring out what might attract viewers and gives you insights into making your video as engaging as possible. Opus Clip has a variety of editing capabilities, including tools to trim, enhance, and polish your content easily. You can use features like automatic transitions, animated auto-captions, AI B-rolls, aspect ratio adjustments, and more. Captions are crucial for short-form videos because they're not only easier to follow, but many people also watch content without sound, and Opus Clip AI generates those captions automatically, making your content more accessible and engaging. It can even add B-rolls, those extra clips that make your videos more dynamic and keep viewers hooked. The editing is almost automatic, and Opus Clip AI does the hard work for you, so you can do further editing only if you think it's necessary. Another time-saving feature of Opus Clip is the scheduling feature. Once your clips are ready, you can schedule them for posting directly to your social media platforms. Opus Clip AI offers a scheduling feature that allows you to plan when and where to post your content, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Now let's talk about pricing. The great thing about Opus Clip AI is that it offers different tiers to fit various needs. You can start using it completely for free, which is fantastic if you want to give it a try without any commitment. Depending on your usage, there are also paid plans available. So if you're ready to create viral short videos, why not give Opus Clip AI a try? I've included a link in the description below so you can get started for free, even today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more similar content. Thank you for watching.